Hey everyone, this is Mike from Altair, and we're talking about the AA wave today and how to install the battery in both the transmitter and the boat. So, for the transmitter, it's super easy. Just take the cap off the bottom and you've got 3 AA batteries that you need to install. Slide it back on and close it up. For the actual RC boat, you need to take these 2 clips off. From the back, lift up the first cap, then unlock each of these 4. They're marked lock and unlock on them. So unlock each of these and lift up from the back as well until you get that off. That's your water protection to keep the water out from the inside of the boat. Find the battery cable, connect the batteries until it clicks, and then clip the batteries into the clip right here. Store all the cables. Put both caps back on. Whoops, put the first cap on first. You might have to move these a little bit to get them to go down. Close it up, lock them. Put the second cap on. Close those up and lock them. And that's installing the batteries on the boat and the transmitter.